Okay, vlog number 2. Time to get this thing started, yeah? So today is like a portrait session. One beautiful model, and I'm here. Let's check out the place. Ah. Alright, so who is this? Putting on your face, yeah?
Yeah.
I think I might learn makeup. I've been saying this for about 4 years now. And still all no, I haven't tried it.
When you're ready for lessons, I'll say that.
Oh, so you can so I can use any color and it work for me?
Yeah, man. For the most part. You're black, so any color
No,
should
so
work.
why that sound so racist a while ago?
It's not.
Which one are you black? Oh, I know, but not yet. I see it. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Alright, so this is going to be lit. Today is going to be very lit. I know that today is going to be very lit. Hi YouTube, me again, spell check. With the great
Diamond Art.
Yes, trust me, she's a wonderful makeup artist. So we did a collaboration today with the makeup looking so flawless. So let me introduce the wonderful model. Alright, what's your name?
Shana.
Shana.
Shana. Yeah. Shana.
So today is like an African, the look is dashiki. You get me? So portrait session. Let's start it. Alright, so today's setup is Sony A7 III with a Tamron 7200 2.8. Let's do this.